Hi all, I'm here at the Hart Island in United States to see the Boldt Castle. This island was bought just for $1. Astonishing, right? Stay tuned to know more about the Boldt Castle and to see some fun facts and some astonishing visuals over here. Let's see. Before jumping into all those amazing facts about Boldt Castle, let me tell you how to get there. You can visit this island from the US or from Canada. Cruises are operated by City Cruises from Gananoque if you're coming from Canada, and Uncle Sam Boat Tours from the US. Once you reach the island, get ready with your passports. Citizens outside of Canada and the US are required to have a valid visa. As soon as we enter, the first picture-perfect spot is the powerhouse and clock tower. It housed two generators that would supply electricity to the entire island. Unfortunately, much of these original equipment has been lost and only few pieces remain on display. Till date, it is one of the Thousand Islands Bridge Authority's largest reconstruction projects after a fire accident that happened in 1939 that severely damaged the building. Before we jump into the facts and details about Boldt Castle, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. As I said in the introduction, Hart Island was purchased for a mere $1 by Louise Boldt from a person named Edward Wallace on July 1st, 1895. At that time, it was just a summer cottage. Named initially as Hart Island as in H-A-R-T after the first owner, Eliezer Hart, it became Hart Island, H-E-A-R-T, in 1900 when George Boldt tore down the cottage and built the castle and added a lagoon to make the island into a shape of a heart. Nearly 300 workers fashioned the 6-story, 120-room castle completed with tunnels, a powerhouse, Italian gardens, a drawbridge, Alster Tower or the children's playhouse, and a dovecote. During the first winter, the caretakers of this castle, George and Campbell, became parents to Gertrude, a baby girl who was born right there in Hart Island. In January 1904, tragedy struck. Boldt telegraphed the island and commanded the workers to immediately stop all construction. Louise had died suddenly. A broken-hearted Boldt could not even imagine his dream castle without his beloved. So Boldt never returned to the island and left behind the structures as a monument of his love. After 73 years of abandoning this island, it was the Thousand Island Bridge Authority who acquired it in 1977. The castle interiors are crafted to perfection. However, whatever you see now are restored in the recent past, right from ballroom, billiards room, grand hallway to all his suites. Did you know that you can plan your wedding at the Boldt Castle? Yes, Boldt Castle can provide the fairy tale setting and unforgettable memories that every couple dreams of on their wedding day. This stained glass dome skylight hanging high above the grand staircase is made up of 6,000 pieces of hand-cut art glasses. The smallest piece of these glasses is no larger than your pinky, and the largest piece is the size of your palm. The Dovecote, also known as the Henry, was the first structure built on this island. This was where George Boldt housed his collection of fancy fowl. Alster Tower is the most architecturally unique structure on Hart Island. With a 2-lane bowling alley, kitchen, billiards room, Venetian room, library, and a theater, George Boldt wanted to create the ideal atmosphere for a recreational activity. Modeled after Roman monuments, the stacks that we see on top of this water gate, known as hearts, is a symbol of George Boldt's European lineage. This gate was to be the formal entry for launches and delivering guests from larger yachts. Well, I enjoyed visiting this castle and I hope you had a good deal of fun facts about this castle, and I'm sure some of you might be already planning to make a visit. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, it's me, Manoj Kumar Sundar, signing off.